We need the golden apple for the cake.
I can find it.
That's the spirit, Leo.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Yes, let's go.
Wow, it is very big.
We must be fast. I have the cart.
I have the list. First, we need milk.
Where is the milk?
Oh no, the list!
Is it gone? Here it is, on the floor.
Thank you, Leo.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please.
Where is the milk?
It is in aisle 3.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This is aisle 1.
We need aisle 3.
Which way do we go?
I don't know. Look, a sign. Turn left. Okay, let's turn left. It is cold here. This is the dairy section.
Put it in the cart.
Good job! Next, we need eggs. Are they here?
Stop the cart!
Look out!
That was close.
The milk is safe.
Excuse me, where are the eggs?
They are in aisle 4.
Aisle 4 is this way.
Let's walk fast. Here are the eggs.
We need 6 eggs.
This box is big. This box is small.
Take the small box.
Oh no! It is falling!
Catch it!
Got it. Be careful.
Phew, thank you. Eggs check. What is next?
We need fresh bread.
Let's find the bakery.
I smell bread. It smells good.
Here is the bakery.
Look at all the bread. The shelf is empty.
Oh no. No bread?
Do you have bread?
Yes. In the oven. Here is hot bread.
It looks yummy.
It is very soft.
Do not squash it. Now, the golden apple. Where is that?
These are red apples.
We need a golden one.
Attention, the store closes in 10 minutes.
10 minutes! Hurry! 10 minutes! Hurry!
Run, Leo, run! I am trying. Mr. Barnaby, please help!
What is wrong? Ah, the special apple.
Where is the golden apple?
Ah, the special apple. Go straight, then turn right.
Straight, then right. Got it. We are walking straight.
Now turn right! It is dark in here. I am a little scared.
Don't worry, I am here.
Okay, let's go. Look! A light! Let's walk to the light.
Wow, it is beautiful.
The golden apple!
I have it.
Put it in the basket gently.
We have everything!
Now we must pay.
Store closing in 2 minutes.
Oh no, we must run!
Excuse us! Coming through! Fast, fast, fast! here!
Just in time!
Milk, eggs, bread.
And the golden apple.
Beep. Beep.
How much is it?
The total is $15.
$15.
Oh no, my money.
Did you lose it?
Wait! Here is a $20 bill! Yay!
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change. $5. Thank you.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye.
It is dark outside. How do we get home?
We walk under the street lamps.
Okay, stay close. The bag looks heavy. I am strong. There is our house!
We made it!
Grandpa, we are home.
We have everything.
Welcome home, kids.
Welcome back. Did you find it?
Yes, we did.
Oh no, where is the apple?
Is it lost? I put it in my backpack. It is safe.
Phew! The golden apple. Thank you, children.
You are welcome.
Now, let's bake the cake.
I want a mix.
1 egg. 2 eggs.
Good job, Leo.
Pour the milk slowly.
Okay, Grandpa.
Turn it off! It is too fast!
We are white like ghosts. That is funny.
It glows.
Now, the secret ingredient. Into the oven it goes.
How long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Check.
Waiting is hard.
I am hungry. What is that smoke?
Is the cake burning?
Just making tea. The cake is fine.
Oh, good.
Aha! The golden cake.
Wow, it is beautiful.
It smells amazing.
Put one here.
And one here.
Now for the candles.
Let me count. Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Thank you, Leo.
Grandpa, are you asleep?
Shh, he is wishing.
Whoosh!
Yay, Grandpa blew. Yay, he blew out the candles.
Here is a big piece for you.
Thank you. This is the best cake ever.
It is magic.
We spoke a lot of English today. At the grocery store.
You asked good questions.
Where is the milk?
I am very proud of you.
We love you, Grandpa.
Learning English is fun. Practice every day. Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.